Hello kids, today we are going to study multiples, right? So what are multiples? Multiple of a number can be obtained by multiplying the number with any counting number. Now what does it mean? For example, if I ask you to find out the multiples of 3, so simply you have to read the table of 3. So how you read the table of 3? 3 ones, 3. 3 twos, 6. 3 threes, 9. 3 fours, 12. 3 fives, 15. 3 six, 18. 3 seven, 21, and so on. You keep on multiplying 3 by any number, you get the multiple of 3. So simply when you read the table, whenever you multiply any number by for example, if I ask you to take the multiples of 3, so whenever you multiply 3 by any number, the answer comes is always a multiple of 3. So let's take an example, one more example. Common multiples and least common multiple. So first of all, let's study what is a common multiple. Common multiple, the way we have studied in factors to find out common factors among two multiples of two numbers, here also we will learn how to find out common multiples of two numbers. Let's see, the multiples of 2 are 2, 4. See how we are reading the table of 2. We are writing the table of 2. 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 threes 6, 2 fours 8, 2 fives 10, 2 6 12, and so on. Next, let the multiple of 4 be 4 ones 4, 4 twos 8, 4 6, 4 threes 12, 4 fours 16, 4 5 20, 4 6 24, and so on. So write on up to 10, at least minimum you can write up to 10. So now if I ask you to find at least 2 common multiples or 3 common multiples or 4 common multiples between 2 and 4. So common multiples, the multiples that I have written here, the multiples, common multiples are 4. Now see, 4 is here also and 4 is here also. Similarly, 8 is here, 8 is here. And if you keep on reading writing the table, you will find 12 is also here, 12 is also here, 16. So you got 2 common multiples. And if I ask you to find the least means smallest common multiple among all the common multiples is 4. Don't worry, we will do more examples after this. So what is least common multiple? That is LCM. The smallest common multiple of 2 or more numbers is called the least common multiple of the numbers. So now let's study some properties of multiples. Facts or properties of multiples. So the first fact about multiple is every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. Right? For example, when you multiply 1 by 2, you will get 2 as a multiple of 1. When you multiply 1 by 3, you will get 3 as a multiple of 1. You multiply 1 by 1000, so you will get 1000 as a multiple of 1. So every number is a multiple of 1. Next fact is every number is a multiple of itself. For example, when you multiply any number by 1, you get the number itself as a multiple of that number. For example, when you multiply 4 by 1, you get 4 as a multiple of 4. So number, you are finding the multiple of 4. So number itself is a multiple of 4. Similarly, 5 is when multiplied by 1, when you multiply 5 by 1 is equal to 5. So 5 is also multiple of 5. Similarly, when you multiply 23 by 1, you will get 23 as a multiple of 23. Now the next fact is multiples of a number except 0 is always greater than or equal to the number itself. See, example. When if I ask you to find out the multiple of 7, now you start reading the table of 7. You always start any table by multiplying the number by 1. You start the table as 7 ones, 7, 7 twos, 14, 7 threes, 21, 7 fours, 28, 7 fives, 35, 7 six, 42, and so on. Have you ever started any table by 0, like 7 zeros? Because we are knowing whenever we multiply any number by 0, you always get answer as 0. So that is the reason why we have written here except 0. So multiples of a number except 0 is always greater than or equal to the number itself. Now see here, 7 is equal to 7. So we are finding here the multiples of 7. See, rest all the multiples except 7, rest all the multiples are greater than 7. Rest all the multiples are greater than 7. Very good. So every number has multiples and all the multiples except the number itself are greater than 0. So from here we deduce that the smallest multiple of a number is number itself. Now the last fact is a number can have countless multiples. See, now if I ask you to read the table of 3, we make you learn table till 10, right? We make you learn table till 10, right? 7 ones, 7, 7 twos, 14, 7 threes, 21, 7 fours, 28, 7 fives, 35, 7 6, 42, 7 7 49, 7 8, 56, 7 9, 63, 7 10, 70. But the moment you jump 7 11, 77. So here it comes the table of 11, 11, 7, 77. So we learn till 10. We make you learn tables till 10. But if you keep on multiplying a given number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so you will get countless number of multiples. You will get countless number of multiples. So there are countless multiples of one number, right? So for example, let's see 8. Now multiply 8 by 1. So you get 8, 8 2, 16, 8 3 is 28, 8 8 4s 32. So here is some mistake. 8 4s 32, 8 5s 40, 8 6 48, and keep on multiplying till 100, 200, 300. There is no end of getting multiples of 8. Similarly, if I ask you to find the multiples of 9, there are countless number of multiples of 9. So here we have learned how to find out the multiples, right? So again, now let's start with few examples. If I ask you, find out the multiples of 5, how will you find? Very simple. Multiples of 5 are, simply start writing the table of 5. 5, 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35. 5 multiplied by 8 is equal to 40. 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to 45, and 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50. So see students, here we got 10 multiples of 5. How many multiples we have find out? 10. Similarly, you can find the multiples of. So now let's find out. Let's find out multiples of 6, right? Wait. Now let's find out. First 5 multiples of 6. Now I want you to find out the first 5 multiples of 6. So how will you find out? First 5 multiples of 6 are. First 5 multiples of 6 are. Now you tell me till which number you are going to multiply 6. Very simple. Let's start multiplying 6 by 1. So 6 1 6. When 6 is multiplied by 2, you get as 12. 6 2 is 12. 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. So here we have got 3. See, first 5 multiples of 6. How can you say that these are the first 5 multiples? Because we have started multiplying 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are the first 5 multiples of 6. Now let's find out what are common multiples. How can you find out the common multiples, right? Now see, if I ask you to find out find first 2 common multiples of 3 and number, let's take 3 and 4, right? So you have to find first 2 common multiples of 3 and 4. Now what you will do? The very first step is you will write down the multiples of 3 and 4. At least you find out first 10 multiples of 3, first 10 multiples of 4. So let's start. So I'm now going to write down the multiples of 3 and 4 directly. Write multiples of 3 are Multiples of 3 are, read the table of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Now let's write down multiples of 4, right? So let's see. Multiple of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Now let's check out the common multiples. Let's check out the common multiples, right? So what are the common multiples? Now see here. Now see here. 4, 8, 12. Now the first is 12 here and 12 here, right? So the second one is C, second one 24 here and 24 here, right? Then if you keep on counting, so you will find 36 somewhere. So we have to find only 2, right? So let's gain. So the common multiples are 12 and 24. So here we have find out the common multiples also. So see, we have find out you were supposed to find only 2 common multiples, right? Now next is lowest common multiple. Common multiple. Now see, what is the lowest common multiple? In the above example, here see you have find out the first 2 common multiples, 12 and 24, right? Now you have to find the lowest common multiple. Lowest means smallest. So out of these 12 and 24, which one is smaller? That is 12. So which number comes out as the lowest common multiple? That is 12. So I hope students, now will you be able to find out multiples, common multiples and lowest common multiple. If you have any doubt, I will clear it in the next class. Thank you everyone.